we did a whole show a couple weeks ago about raising money if you need to. If it's a flip, you could always bring in a partner. You could always go to crowdfunding. There's a lot of different avenues to dig that up. So
yeah, flipping cash or a hard money loan are typically the two ways you're going to do it. Flipping, you can do 25% down, 20% down. Some lenders will do it, but most of the time you're doing cash.
Yeah, and we get people coming in for more of a long-term deal. I mean, they're taking the advice that you specifically gave about not going after the shiny penny in the bidding war, going the opposite way, and just putting some of your own personal TLC and touch on your family's touch on this property. And sometimes I get clients coming in, they want to put down 20% on a $400,000 home. And I'm like, that's great. They're like, it needs a little work, and so got to figure out how we do that later. I'm like, well, wait a minute. How are you gonna do it later? Do you want to move in the way it is now? Oh no. I'm like, well, we need to figure that out now. Maybe we have to forget the 20%. You can do 5 or you can do 3, as I said, and we have this. We can always refinance it later. When you make the improvements, usually the house goes up significantly in value. So we'll be able to refinance it 6 months down the road. They have a whole new price point because you bought it low instead of going into a bidding war. It's coming out much higher because you made some nice improvements. I know you wish you would have put the money down, and maybe that meant you had to do a second mortgage or mortgage insurance even in some cases. But we can always get out of that in 6 months.